It's not 4. I will get that. I need the mushroom. We prepare for a second wave. Okay. Go here. Here, right? Yes. Here. Here. Wait. Kill this. No. Don't like what when I'm little. Wait. I'll do this to you. Restart because why I'm restarting because the second trick because the first trick is give you circle but the second trick is in the neighbor of the first trick, okay? Let me parkour. Okay, you know already the first trick, the second trick. No. See? The second trick! No! Don't copy that, that's not a trick. Do you know what's that? The second trick is the second trick is give you one mushroom, okay? The third trick. Look. The third trick. Give you money. Look. It's the same as first trick, but in different way. Okay? If you go here in the fourth trick, look! It's a star! No! Don't copy. I said you don't copy. Just the fourth trick is star. Star is look like a star. When I die in the little Goombas. Okay, wait. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, here. Wait. Okay, wait. You know the third glitch? The fourth. I'll give you an example of fourth glitch. Okay, wait. Look, the fourth glitch is this. If you do the same trick again, except for falling, if you fall without no block in the under, that means you lose. That means you would lose. Okay, the stair reminds me of a chocolate bar. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Let me parkour for a second, please. Wait. Okay. The fifth trick. I need to drop Little Mario. Okay, here. Another glitch. I need to do it so fast because I need to do it fast. So I look like Super Hedgehog. Okay. Wait, let me see. Did I forget something? Wait. Let me see if this trick. Look. Here. Wait. Little mushroom. What are you doing? No. Do not copy that. Mayday. Don't copy. Yeah. I will memorize this trick. Wait. I need to be bigger. Because I could lead you to the trick. That's the sixth trick. Because the 6 tick, if you break, if I'm not little and big, if I do this and do this again, it will give you a power again, like mushroom, like flower, like that. And here, I think here, in the 8 tick or 7 tick, I think, if you do this, it will give you glitches, here, and like the I think the third, I think, so, that's the 7th tick. Okay, let me lead you to the 8th tick. Let me collect some money first. Money glitch here. Okay, this little Mario. Okay, no, wait. 8 glitch. Lead you like this. I need to be fast now. Oh no, I need to do it. I need to do it fast. Oh no. I need to do it fast, guys. That's why I'm fasting it up. The night glitch is here. No. Let's go. The night glitch. Wait. This is the night glitch. See? We'll lead you to one example. I give to 4. I go to 4. Look at my word. 4-1. That's the trick. So I forgot how many tricks did I give you. So please. Okay, so